Hi guys, welcome to this very short video. The reason why it's quite short is because it doesn't need 10 minutes to explain how to fix it, so it's only going to be a couple of minutes if that. So if you have a MK6 Transit and you find yourself driving down the road and the clusters drop out and you have to bang the top of the dash like this to get them to work again, then I think I could have the answer for you. So I had this issue again probably about 4 or 5 months ago and I couldn't find a concrete answer, so I kind of deciphered between the different bits of information that I think it was the pins in the back needed resoldering. So I took the clusters out and then inspected each individual pin, couldn't quite see anything. So I took a picture of each pin and then zoomed in and I could just about make out some hairline cracks in the solder. So what I did is resoldered every single pin, not desoldered, literally just heated each pin up and then resoldered them, as in by adding a bit more solder to it, and that's worked perfectly. Haven't had an issue with the clusters since. Now I don't know which pin correlates to which part of the instrument cluster, hence why I just literally resoldered every single pin. But I'll show you a picture now which shows you the pins, and what I'll do now is I'll zoom into one of the pins to show you kind of that hairline crack. So as you can see, you've got to go some to actually see the crack. So if you can't see it, I still think it's worth taking the clusters out and resoldering each of those pins just to make sure. But I think 9 times out of 10 that will be the problem and that will be the fix. So as always, thanks for watching. If this video has been of some use to you, then by all means give it a thumbs up. But hopefully I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.